Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Go ahead, put it on her tray.
Here, eat.
It's okay, baby. You can eat it.
No.
She's like,
Here, eat.
okay, Lucy.
Okay. Skills.
Come here.
There you go. Get some icing.
Lucy, hold on.
Yeah.
I think she likes it.
Yes, chocolate.
She's much less hesitant than Lucy was. I think it would be all right to go ahead and cut Lucy a slice.
Yeah, that's what
So she doesn't feel.
That's what I'm working on here.
Okay. And cheese. Help.
Cake.
Help.
Hold on. Nom, nom,
What do you think, Zoe? You like cake? Oh, yeah. There's a big handful.
nom. We finally start cramming.
Lucy is having her own cake moment over here. You like cake, Lucy? I think that was a yes. Oh, first piece has gone on the floor. Typical of Zoe's eating style.
Nom, yum.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. Better be careful there.
Is that fun? Mall.
Don't get too far away. This whole thing could go on the floor.
Do you want a piece of this or not?
Yeah. Go ahead and give me that piece you've cut before it winds up, on the floor.
Mall beyond recognition.
A bite. A bite. A bite.
You got it.
You've got a whole slice, Lucy.
Oops. Sorry.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. All tastes the same.
That's the truth.
Yeah, go ahead and get yours. There you go.
No! She's like, no, bring it back.
wait.
What are you doing? That's mine. I'm eating that.
Nom, yum, cake. This, give it.
Watch out. Oh, yeah, yeah. There goes the cardboard.
Cardboard.
Go ahead and grab that. Yeah. Pick up the whole thing.
Oh, the pizzas.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Zoe.